To make an online purchase with PayPal, start by ensuring you have a PayPal account. If you do not have one, create an account by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Once you have a PayPal account, you can begin the online purchasing process. First, find the item you want to purchase online and add it to your shopping cart. Proceed to the checkout page, where you will be asked to select your payment method. Choose PayPal as your payment option and you will be redirected to the PayPal website. On the PayPal website, log into your account using your email address and password. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the recipient. You can also choose to pay with a specific credit or debit card, or use your PayPal balance. After reviewing the payment details, confirm the payment by clicking the Pay Now button. You will then be redirected back to the merchant's website, where you will receive confirmation of your order. You will also receive an email from PayPal confirming the transaction. It is essential to keep your PayPal account information up to date and secure. Use a strong password and be cautious of phishing emails that may ask for your login credentials. Additionally, always review the payment details before confirming a transaction to avoid any errors. When making an online purchase with PayPal, you are also protected by their buyer protection policy. This policy provides reimbursement for eligible purchases in case the item does not arrive or match the description. By following these steps and best practices, you can make secure and convenient online purchases with PayPal. Remember to always keep your account information secure and review the payment details before confirming a transaction.